Hey guys, it is day 5 and we will be working on our core area, and just know that that deals with discipline, confidence, willpower. So yes, this practice is definitely crucial for us. It may not be the funnest to us, but just know that it's definitely something that we should all work into our self-care, and know that your yoga is your core. It's almost impossible to do any of these asanas without the help of your core. So yes, let's get started. I will see you on your mats. All right, let's get started on our backs into Supta Baddha Konasana. Come to lying down on your back, bring the soles of your feet to touch, butterfly, your knees open. Place your right hand on your heart and your left hand on your belly. And take a moment to feel the pulse of your heart beating. Really bring awareness to your breath. Take notice of each inhale and each exhale that you take. And on each exhale, let go of something. Anything that's not serving you, release that on each exhale. And we'll take a cleansing breath together. Deep inhale through your nose. Big exhale out of your mouth. Just begin to turn a little more inward, blocking out all distractions from the outside of your mat. We'll take another cleansing breath. Deep inhale through your nose. Open mouth, exhale. Nice. Flutter your eyes open. Grab your knees, close them like a book. Send your knees into your chest. And we will take a few rock and rolls into Navasana, boat pose. Okay, so find the momentum until you felt like you found the balance. You can stay up into your boat pose. Okay, so sit up nice and tall. Your boat pose may look like this with your fingertips relaxed on your mat. You may extend your arms out. You may grab the inside of your thighs. You can even straighten your legs if you'd like. Just wherever you are, activate that core. Already invite that energy of confidence, willpower, discipline. Hold this for 4, 3, tabletop pose in 2, and 1. So cross your legs, plant your palms, find that vinyasa. Know that you can jump back, or you can walk back. Inhale, hold that upward facing dog. Exhale, tabletop pose. So stack your shoulders over your wrists and your hips over your knees. Take a deep inhale, cow pose. Drop your belly, let's stretch out that core. Exhale, cat pose, round your spine, chin to your chest. Inhale, cow pose. Exhale, cat pose. Okay, let's freestyle here. Take a few neck rolls, still warm up your spine, massage your organs. And when you've had enough, come back to just a still tabletop position. Okay, so once you found that stillness, take a deep inhale, spread your fingers wide, tuck your toes in. Exhale, lift your knees off of your mat and hover them just a couple inches off of your mat. So feel that activation in your core. That's the same feeling you would feel if you were to take like a headstand or an arm balance or anything a little bit more advanced. Feel that sensation and hold it for 4, 3, downward facing dog in 2, and 1. So strong, downward facing dog. Pedal out your legs, take out any kinks or pops. Be sure that your hands and feet are about shoulder distance apart. Work your heart towards your thighs. Inhale, gaze forward. Exhale, ragdoll pose. Walk your feet behind your wrists. Grab opposite elbows. Let your head hang. Again, feel the blood rush all the way to the crown of your head. Feel that release in your low spine. Swing from side to side. Take a deep inhale here. Exhale, release your fingertips. Bring your feet together to touch. Take another deep inhale, slowly uncurl all the way up to standing. Take your time up there, one vertebra at a time. Take a few shoulder rolls, wrist rolls, big inhale. Exhale, Namaste. Bring your hands to your heart. Take a moment to set an intention for your practice. If you cannot think of an intention, I offer the intention to invite willpower, confidence, as you move and as we activate our core. Seal that in with a big inhale through your nose. Send it out, open mouth, exhale. Flutter your eyes open and release your hands by your sides. We'll begin sun salutation A. Inhale, mountain pose, reach your arms up. And exhale, side stretch to the right. So rest your right arm down and stretch your left arm up. Again, feel that side stretch. You still have to activate your core to get here. Inhale back to center. Palms touch. Exhale, swap out your arms. And shift your hips to the right, reach to the left. Good. Inhale back to center. Exhale, forward fold, hinge forward, release your fingers down. Good. Inhale, halfway lift. Place your hands on your shins. Create a flat back. Pinch your shoulder blades back behind you. Big inhale. Exhale, chaturanga. So plant your palms. Step your feet back. I encourage you to maybe lift your knees off of your mat. Try it at least one time if you have not tried it yet. So you can take your knees down if you want. Otherwise, keep those knees up. Bend your knees at a 90-degree angle. Inhale, upward facing dog. Exhale, downward facing dog. Big inhale through your nose. Open mouth, exhale. Inhale, lift your right leg high. Exhale, right knee to your left elbow. So you're going to twist and squeeze. Yes, fire up your abs. Inhale, back to three-leg dog. Exhale, knee to nose, squeeze. We're in the middle. Inhale, three-leg dog. Exhale, right knee to your right elbow. So squeeze and come down. Good. Inhale, up. Exhale, the lunge. Step your right foot in between your hands. Inhale, crescent lunge. Reach your arms up. We'll keep flowing here. Exhale, airplane arms. Unravel into warrior two. Inhale, warrior two. Exhale, extended side angle, reach and extend. Now come on your right toes, just for a little bit more energy, a little bit more grace. Inhale, reverse warrior. This is called releve when you're on your toes. Exhale, chaturanga. This time I want you to plant your palms, swing your right leg up. Try it out. Keep your leg up as you come down into a one-leg chaturanga. Inhale, upward facing dog. Both feet down on your mat. Exhale, downward facing dog. Big inhale through your nose. Open mouth, exhale, let it go. All right, let's do the left side, guys. Inhale with your left leg high. Exhale, twist it out, left knee to your right elbow. Twist, squeeze, let it burn. Inhale back to three-leg dog. Exhale, knee to nose to the center. Inhale, three-leg dog. Exhale, knee to left elbow. Squeeze, yes. Inhale, three-leg dog. Exhale, low lunge, step it through. Inhale, crescent. Create that 90-degree angle, square forward. We're moving nice and slow here. Exhale, hinge forward, release your arms back. Get ready to unravel. Inhale, warrior two. Exhale, extended side angle. Come on those left toes if you can. Inhale, reverse warrior, releve. Exhale, one leg chaturanga. Cartwheel your arms, plant your palms, swing that leg back. Keep it floated, keep it up in the air. Lower down. Inhale, upward facing dog. Exhale, downward facing dog. Big inhale through your nose. Open mouth, exhale, let it go. Nice, so from here, inhale, high plank. So shift your weight forward, create a nice straight line with your body. Have your shoulders, hips, heels all in one beautiful straight line. Know that if this is too much, you're still working your core in this position as well. So take the knees if you need to. Okay, so hold this for 4, 3, last 2, and 1. So now you can take your knees down just for a second. We will take a side plank. So to enter side plank, start in high plank. Plant your right palm at the center of your mat and roll over to the side for high plank. And know that you can take your bottom knee down if you'd like, all right? So hold this for 5 deep breaths. Hold this for 5, 4, high plank pose in 3, 2, and 1. And take your vinyasa. Whether it's a strong one or a weak one, inhale, upward facing dog or cobra. Exhale, downward facing dog. Breathe it out. Meet me back in high plank. Let's do the other side. Okay, so place your left palm at the center of your mat. Roll over to the side. Lift your right arm. So again, recognize, acknowledge your stronger side and your weaker side for 4, 3, high plank pose in 2, and 1. Okay guys, so from here, lower all the way down on your belly. You deserve it. However, right away, bend your knees, reach back, and grab for your ankles, for floor bow. Kick up into your hands. Balance on the soft part of your belly. Hold this for 4, 3, look a little higher, 2, and 1. So relax your favorite cheek on your mat. I'm not even gonna lie, that sequence got me. Whew. This will come back to center. Push yourself up and come to lying down on your back. Bring both of your knees into your chest. Take a deep inhale. Exhale, happy baby pose, butterfly, knees open. Wrap for the outside of your right ankles. And now bring both of your knees back to center. Lie your left leg long, hug your right knee into your right armpit. Big inhale, squeeze. Exhale, supine twist. Guide your right knee across your body. And just for a little bit of a variation, I offer you to try out grabbing your left toes with your right hand for a different kind of supine twist. Inhale back to center. Exhale, swap it out. Lie your right leg long, hug your left knee to your left armpit. Big inhale. Exhale, supine twist. Guide your left knee across. Gaze to the left. If you grab the toes on the other side, even out your body and do the same as well on this side. Bring both knees back to center for wind removing pose. Give yourself a big hug. Big inhale. Exhale, final Shavasana. Let everything go. Allow your body to absorb the power of discipline, confidence, willpower, that solar plexus energy. And silently say to yourself, I am powerful. I'll see you all on your mats tomorrow. Namaste.